glove, handheld shovel, and this shovel, as well as my hat. It's no wonder why we're searching for other forms to shovel snow, because that shovel isn't even that great. So I'm happy that we're exploring different areas to make it a little bit fun. See if other things work. Okay, so guys, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 different areas to shovel snow, I believe, as well as a sidewalk. So we're going to be shoveling snow for a while. We got 5 different tools to try to shovel this snow. So number 1, iPhone. That, how clean that is. Okay. And next we're going to use my hand. And that's number 2 done. Let's try the hat next. This is the hat. The only part that really works and resembles a shovel is the bill. Next is going to be this piece of cardboard on the sidewalk. To hold it down here, unlike a normal shovel, to keep it together. And but however, it works pretty good. Okay, so handheld shovel and this shovel, as well as my hat, they all did pretty good besides my hat. My hat was the worst one, did the worst job. I didn't have that on the top of my mind, but yeah, that's what happened. The hat was the worst one. I wouldn't think that. I was very surprised. I was thinking maybe this cardboard thing would be the worst, but it wasn't. We'll commemorate everyone by doing a line. Starting with my phone. Phone line. Next, my glove. Well guys, it's finished. I'm gonna wrap it up. Yeah, it's shoveling snow. Like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. And let me know what I'm doing good. Let me know what we're doing bad. And let me know the videos you like. But if you like them, let me know what you like and don't like and subscribe.